Yuan Chow fried rice recipe. Ingredients: 3 cups cooked jasmine rice, preferably day-old, to tbsp cooking oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 cup Chinese sausage lap cheong or ham, diced, 1/2 cup shrimp, peeled and diced, 2 eggs, beaten, 1/4 cup carrots, diced, 1/4 cup green onions, chopped, 1/4 cup peas optional, 1/2 cup lettuce, chopped, 1 tbsp soy sauce, 1/2 tsp salt adjust to taste, 1/4 tsp white pepper. Instructions: 1. Prepare the rice. Use day-old rice for better texture. If using fresh rice, let it cool and dry slightly. 2. Heat oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add oil and saute garlic until fragrant. 3. Cook the meat and shrimp. Add diced Chinese sausage or ham and shrimp. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until slightly crispy. 4. Scramble the eggs. Poach the ingredients to one side of the pan and pour the beaten eggs. Let them set slightly before scrambling and mixing with the other ingredients. 5. Add vegetables and rice. Toss in diced carrots, peas, and cooked rice. Stir well, breaking up clumps. 6. Season the dish. Pour in soy sauce, salt, and white pepper. Stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is evenly coated. 7. Add green onions and lettuce. Stir them in for a fresh crunch. Cook for another minute. 8. Serve hot. Transfer to a serving plate and enjoy your homemade Yuan Chow fried rice. This dish pairs well with Chinese-style dishes like sweet and sour pork or beef stir-fry. It's flavorful, easy to make, and perfect for any meal. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.